Hi, now I'm going to show you the demo of our new WhatsApp tool. So this software tool have some features like send campaign, auto reply, settings, receive message, group grabber, number filter and catalogs, buttons, etc, etc. So also you can send photos, audio message, video, PDF, etc, etc. So in order to start with, let me tell you one by one. So first of all, open WhatsApp. In this option, you need to scan your number and connect with the software. So it will show a QR code. You have to just scan and connect your number. Once scanned, the software will show ready. After that, you can start using the software. Next, how to import the contacts. Here we have 4 different options. Import from file, where you can import the data from Excel file or Notepad. Manual import, you can type the contacts manually. So once typed, press on import. It will be imported. 91 is mandatory. If you don't add 91, use this insert country code and add country code. That's it. Then message. As of now, I am just typing test message. So once the message typed, if you want to add buttons, you can add buttons. So for that you have to enable the button option, create button, add new button. Then there will be 3 options, reply, URL, phone. So in reply I am typing interested, and in the URL I am using my website URL, name of the button website, and the URL of the website. Then a phone, like a call button, call, and a phone number. So once done, press OK. So buttons will be added. Then just send the message. So the people will receive the message like test message and the buttons, including you want photos, videos, you can attach. Here there will be 2 options, safe mode and blind mode. You have to select blind mode, because if you select safe mode, the people only, your contacts will receive the message, the one you save the number, those persons. So always select blind mode. Now messages are getting sent one by one. Campaign has been done. So you can see the message, test message, along with that interested, website and a call. So this is the format. Now I press interested, so it replied interested. When I press website, it redirects to my website, and the call button redirects to my phone number. Now moving on to catalogs. So catalog is like your products, your list of products, that's it. So now we are including We Think solution, and in the subtitle, digital marketing products. And in the catalog description, I'm including here are our products. Please check. And then add category. So you can add your products one by one. Item name, bulk SMS, and description. You can give whatever you want to describe about your product. Yeah, and then add category. Another item, bulk WhatsApp. And we have both cloud based panel and softwares, virtual numbers and from your own numbers also. And add category, database, and pan India database. Yes, we have pan India database. So whatever location you have requirement, you can ask, we can provide. Yeah, now I'm just selecting the catalog and I'm sending the message. So same blind mode, okay. So now messages are being sent one by one. Then You have to open the WhatsApp and see. So messages have been sent. So you can see test message along with the list. So in the list, our products, bulk SMS, WhatsApp, database have been listing out. So people who are interested in the products, they will select the product and they will reply you. That's it. This is how the catalog works. Next, so this is how the basic message sending options works. Now moving on to the additional features. So we have sent campaigns here, which is nothing but your reports. So whatever message you sent, you can go here and check the reports. Next, auto reply. Auto reply is nothing but like if someone is texting you for the first time, they will receive a message, thanks for contacting our company, etc, etc. This basic feature you already have in your business WhatsApp account. Here also you can use this. Next is auto reply rules. Auto reply rules is nothing but it will reply according to the message you received. So for example, now bulk SMS 100% delivery. If someone replied you this message out of your list, then we can send another reply for the messages. For example, bulk SMS, keyword is like contains, and here is the keyword bulk SMS 100% delivery, because this is what customer sent you. So here you are going to give them another reply, thanks for inquiring about bulk SMS, here are the details. So you can set up your reply like this according to your products. If you have 10 different products, you can set up 10 different replies for each and every products. So people, they just press the option and they will get the replies according to that. Yeah, here you can also add the catalog and buttons as well to this. So if someone press bulk SMS delivery, they will get this reply automatically. And okay. So this is auto reply rules. Now I'm going to delete this one. I don't need that now. So next, setting is nothing but, so each and every message have some set of time interval. You can set up the time interval here. So the default time interval is fast mode and 1 to 2 seconds. So each and every message have 1 to 2 second interval. So the next you can set up slow, very slow, etc, etc. Just you have to alternate the timing here. That's it. And group grabber. Sorry, received messages is your incoming messages. You can see all your incoming messages of the WhatsApp from this option. So next one is group grabber is like it will grab all the contacts from your particular group. So first fetch groups, it will fetch all your groups, then select the groups where you want to import the contacts, and get contacts from selected group. It will grab all the contacts from the selected group. Then you can export it into a file also. Number filter, it will filter the numbers. Like if you have 1,000 contacts and you don't know how many of the numbers are WhatsApp and how many of them are non-WhatsApp, so you can just simply import the contacts in this option, filter the contacts. It will filter the WhatsApp and non-WhatsApp contacts and send the messages to WhatsApp contacts only. It will save your time. So now I have just imported some contacts. Start checking. It's checked now. So you can see all the numbers are business category number. So you just import to, it will come to your sender list, and even you can export it into your file. Now we have two more options. Import from WhatsApp contacts. This will import all your contacts from your WhatsApp account. So it might take some time. Yeah, according to the contacts you have. So now it grabbed all the contacts. So now we have one more option, import from WhatsApp groups. So this will import all your WhatsApp group from that account. You can type a message and send the message to all the groups. You don't have to search the group one by one and send the message. You can use this option. So this is all about the software. I hope you liked the demo video. So if you are in the requirement of this software, please contact us. Thank you.